Well, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Mike. Tonight we'll be having tinfoil dinners. Now I've got a few extra precautions on because I'm cooking for the whole staff, but if you're just cooking for your family, just make sure to wash your hands. We're going to prep everything inside tonight. It's a little easier. Then we'll go into the fire and put them all together. What? Are we going now? Hey, will you see if there's any corn back there? Now, we kept the recipe pretty simple for you, but feel free to experiment. You can put whatever you like in these things. We're going to do some peppers, some corn, whatever you got around the house. Throw it in there. All right, everything's ready. Now let's go outside. All right, we're outside. We got a roaring fire going because 93 degrees wasn't hot enough. All right, so we're ready to assemble our dinner. Start with a sheet of tinfoil. Give a little spray of Pam on there. Now I like to lay down my taters first. Do a little bit of a bed of potatoes for your patty. Put a little rosemary on our potatoes. Next, you're gonna put it in your patty. So lay that right on top. Then whatever other vegetables you want to put down. Do some peppers, a little onion. All right, so you're just gonna season it up however you like. Use a little Al seasoning salt from Mary & Kay, local Brownstown company. Oh my.
Happening.
All right, then just finish it off with a little bit of teriyaki. Then you'll just seal it up. All right, so we just added a couple more layers of tinfoil to make sure it's nice and secure. We're ready to throw it on the fire. So after your fire's kind of burnt down a little bit, you got all these beautiful coals to cook on. We're just gonna kind of kick it around, spread it out, and lay our tinfoil dinner right on.
How long does it cook?
I don't know.
You don't know.
How long does it cook? All right, just let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes and give it a little look-see. We got that B-roll. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. Let's check our tinfoil dinner. Oh, looks perfect. Mmm. Mmm.